The 2.0L Hurricane4 engine is equipped with 2 spark plugs per cylinder, pre-chamber and main chamber. These spark plugs are not interchangeable. Installing the wrong spark plug in the wrong location can result in serious engine damage. Before installation, verify the hex socket size of each spark plug. Match each spark plug to its correct location. For added assurance, check the insulator diameter to confirm proper placement. For Mopar spark plugs, a blue line on the pre-chamber insulator is also an indicator. The main chamber spark plugs in positions 2, 4, 6, and 8 use a hex socket size of 16 millimeters or 5/8 of an inch. The pre-chamber spark plugs in positions 1, 3, 5, and 7 use a hex socket size of 14 millimeters or 9/16 of an inch. 6 small protrusions or nubs in positions 1, 3, 5, and 7 indicate the smaller spark plug that fits a 14 millimeter 9/16 of an inch hex socket.
This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.